Hey, are you a coach or an entrepreneur who wants to make more money in your business? You've come to the right place because that's what NFA, no fucking around money, is all about. Every week, I release tips and tools to help you with your money, your mindset, your marketing, and your manifestation skills. These things I love to do because I used to be on food stamps, and in my first year of full-time business building, I went to 6 figures and everything changed for me. I know what it feels like to be really stuck, and I've gotten to work with people to help them overcome their stuckness so they can unblock and double their money flow in their business. I teach practical, actionable strategies to help you get unstuck. I've never met a person yet who doesn't have money blocks. These can be things like undercharging for your services or having a poverty consciousness mindset instead of an abundance mindset. Not being willing to receive money. I mean, I could go on and on and on. There's all kinds of money blocks, and everything you're gonna get here is to help you unblock so you can increase your money flow. That's what I love to bring to the table so that you can step into your zone of genius and make more money doing exactly what you love. If you like what you get at this channel, be sure to go to www.nfamasterclass.com to watch a masterclass about the #1 deadly money mistake all entrepreneurs make. It'll totally help you out. So visit there, watch that masterclass, and then come back here every week. Be sure to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notifications, and share it with your friends if you like what you're getting. I'm so glad that you made it here. I fully believe that the law of attraction brought us together. So if you're watching this, I am grateful for you, and I am sending you NFA money-making high fives.